welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Taylor. Okay, so I have some exciting news, some really exciting news. If you can't tell by the title already, you probably already know, but I got some exciting news. I'm going back to school. I'm going back to school for graphic design, something that I wanted to do for a long time, but you know, there's a whole lot of long stories that go into why I didn't go to school right after high school, which I did, but it was for something that other people saw best for me and not something that I saw best for me, basically. And if you don't know what it is, you probably didn't know. It was for hair. I'm not saying I hate hair, but it's not for me because I'm not a real people person and I'm not a people pleaser. I am going to do my best, and if you start arguing and cussing at me, which has happened to me because I did go work in the hair industry, I just said this is not for me. Y'all are making me depressed with a deep depression, very deep. Then it went deeper and deeper, and we're here now. Basically, we're here now. I'm not gonna talk about it. A lot has happened over the past, what, like 4 or 5 years? Luckily and gratefully, very gratefully, I don't have that much time in school. I probably have about 2.5 years, basically, because of math. Oh yeah, I'm going to the University of Austin. No. I'm going to the University of Texas at Arlington. So if you're watching this video and you want to be friends and you're a transfer student, even if you're not a transfer student, you know, comment down below, go on my Instagram, let's be friends, you know, because I need friends. So since I'm going back to school, that means, yes, you'll be getting the traditional college girl, college kid vlogs and videos. I know, so amazing, so new, never done before, revolutionary, all the above, Lady Gaga. Okay, that's just what's gonna be happening. But because I'm going during the pandemic, it's not gonna be as cool or as consistent as I want it to be, simply because I only have a few classes that are on campus and the rest are online. So it's like, and some people that I already met, a lot of the classes are online, and some of them, you know, it's really confusing. It's a real system that is really confusing. I hate Corona. Corona is ruining everything in my life and everyone else's life. It's just, we're losing lives. Like, come on now, Corona needs to just wrap it up, you know, like, just finish. We're done with you. What else am I doing in my life? I don't know. How purple braids. That's something new that are going to be taken out soon. Then I'm going to put in my luxurious bundles. Okay, y'all, my luxurious bundles. We're going back to school. I'm already done school shopping for the most part, but I'll still have a school shopping video because I don't know everything that I need. I just know I need a lot of paper right now. So I went and I bought. I have a few of the supplies that I already bought. I bought this planner from Target. Can you see it? It's really cute. If you'll just get in focus. See how pretty that is? I bought a planner that starts in the month of July, which is great because if it would start in January, it would have been a waste because I need this for a school year, not a year. You know what I'm saying? So I got this planner that I'm going to be writing in. I will be writing in this planner because school gets crazy and I'm taking full-time classes. I'm taking 5 classes this semester, so I need a planner of some sort. Put it in my phone is not going to be enough. I'm going to put it in my phone, in a planner, and then on my other planner that's like looking at me, and then I'm going to write it on my bulletin boards. It's going to be everywhere. Organization is my passion. Alright, then we have this 5-star journal that is in one of my favorite colors, olive green, and it has 5 subjects, I think. Subjects. When you open it, it has like everything that you need to make it personalized, you know, like personalize it or whatever. I just have a regular 5-star black journal deck, like camouflage kind of. And also, oh, you guys want to see my backpack? I'll show you my backpack. Along with that, I bought this backpack, which I thought was so cute. It's a daisies. I like it. But your girl is excited for school. Very excited for school. I can't wait to start. I can't wait to make some friends. But also, I can't wait to actually learn things that are going to be in my field of work. And also, I think I'm going to take on a minor. I think I'm going to get a minor in like advertising or marketing. I think advertising would be better for me. But yeah, we're going to be doing school shopping for clothes, supplies, and what else do you need for school other than clothes and supplies? Other than that, your girl's ready for school. We're going to have a good year. Hopefully, it does not bring me into another deep depression because I can't handle that right now. I just can't. I'm going to collapse. I'm gonna go boom, boom. Okay, I just can't do it. I just can't. Also, I got this in the mail. I am UTA bound. Okay, bound. Tell me everything I gotta do in the back, but in the front, I'm UTA bound. This has been on my wall since I got it. Okay, your girl is excited. Maverick made, Mavs up, my dudes. Mavs up. Hey. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you like it. I hope that you're excited for me. Comment down below anything you want me to make in another video or whatever. More content will be coming up. Your girl is excited for school. And like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to 100. Might do a giveaway for 100. Have no idea. I'm kind of broke, unemployed. It's a whole thing. But yeah, thanks for everything, you guys. Bye.